Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are tired of the back and forth emails trying to find a meeting time, you have probably narrowed your search down to two tools, Calendly and Google Calendar. Today, we are breaking down which one you should actually use, especially with Google's recent platform updates. Let's start with Google Calendar. In the past, Google was only good for managing your own time, but now they have rolled out a native feature called appointment schedules. This allows you to create a shareable booking link directly inside your calendar. It is incredibly simple, requires zero learning curve, and automatically generates Google Meet links. However, there is a catch. If you are using a free personal Google account, you are limited to just one booking page. It is a bit rigid. For example, you cannot offer a 15-minute intro call and a 60-minute deep dive on the same free account without upgrading to a paid Google Workspace plan. That is where Calendly steps in. Calendly is not just a calendar, it is a dedicated scheduling automation platform built to eliminate friction. With Calendly, you get a much more polished client-facing experience. You can easily set up multiple event types, build in buffer times, and set daily meeting limits so you don't burn out. If you work on a team, Calendly dominates. It offers complex routing like round-robin scheduling to seamlessly assign calls to the next available team member. It also connects flawlessly with Zoom, Stripe for paid consultations, and your CRM. So here is the simple verdict. If you are a solo professional or you just need a basic free way for people to book time with you, Google Calendar's built-in appointment scheduler is all you need. It keeps your personal schedule and external bookings in one unified dashboard. But if scheduling is a core part of your business, whether for sales, client onboarding, or interviews, and you need automated workflows and a premium client experience, Calendly is still the undisputed winner. Which platform fits your workflow best? Let me know in the comments below. If this review saved you some time, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense software reviews. See you in the next video.